So when we do a diagnostic on a child or an individual, one of the biggest categories and criteria that we test for and set up environments for is play and imaginative play. The reason for that is play by itself is the first social interactions that children engage in. Okay? Whether it's with another object or not, they are engaging with something and doing something with that object. What we notice on kids with autism is that maybe they're playing with the trucks, but all they're doing is running the trucks back and forth, or they're just lining trucks up, where a typical child will make the trucks crash, will make the trucks talk to each other, or will turn around and run the truck over all of mom's clean laundry and pretend it's a mountain. So imaginative play then is critical to language. You have to be able to verbalize and understand that this object, this truck in our example, could also pretend to be an airplane, and it could be a transformer, or it could be a robot on a Martian island. In order to then expose yourself to literature or figure out that other people could think differently than you, I mean, it's the very beginning of all social language and understanding. So when the child doesn't have it or is struggling with it, that becomes one of the most critical things that we try and get them involved in. Engagement also then with their peers. What we find is that a lot of the kids with autism have missed that early social engagement in play with their peers. So even when their language and everything is ready for them to jump in and do it, they've missed the give and take and the failure of social interaction. That becomes part of our knowledge base and experience to keep moving our social interaction as we get older. But if you don't have those experiences, it's very hard to jump in and understand and navigate the teenage experience if you've never had the younger one. Play for a typical child? Absolutely, it's fun. They enjoy it because they enjoy the back and forth and the interaction and the imagination and the sharing with another person. Are they still learning at that moment? Absolutely. So the kids think it's just having fun, and so do many adults. We know that it is all the foundation that has to come for that learning. So yes, it's more serious to us because we want to make sure that that child has it, that they have the experience with it so that we can keep teaching.